The recent revelation sheds light on a poignant and reflective moment from veteran actress Sally Field, who delves into the past to recall the distressing incidents of bullying that her co-star Julia Roberts endured during the making of the iconic 1989 movie Steel Magnolias. Field's recollection unveils the harsh reality that Roberts, a respected Oscar-winning artist, faced mistreatment from the film's director, Herbert Ross, largely due to her newcomer status in the industry. Field's narrative resonates with compassion as she highlights the unwavering support offered by herself and the ensemble cast, which featured renowned personalities like Shirley MacLaine and Dolly Parton, to Roberts during this trying time. Despite the cutthroat nature of the movie business, Field underscores the unity and camaraderie that prevailed among the cast members, showcasing their collective solidarity against the unfair treatment directed at Roberts. In her discussion with Vulture, Field's words exude empathy and resilience as she recounts how they stood up for Roberts, the youngest and least experienced member of the cast, in the face of adversity. The support system depicted by Field symbolizes a bond forged through shared trials and a joint commitment to standing against mistreatment and injustice. Through Field's heartfelt recollection, the story goes beyond a mere recounting of events to emphasize the power of solidarity, empathy, and strength in challenging situations. The anecdote serves as a testament to the profound influence of unity and encouragement within the film industry, highlighting the importance of togetherness in times of hardship and fostering an environment of respect and inclusivity. If you like this video, don't forget to like video and subscribe. See you soon with the next video. Thank you so much for watching.